dreaming. His eyes are wiggly. He's dreaming. When the eyes wiggle around like that, it's called REM sleep, rapid eye movement. And you do that too when you dream. Your eyeballs start rolling around your head. Look at that, he's doing a tap dance. Are they seeing this, are they?
No.
Can you Skype them back? Yeah?
Look, those ones are going, Alec. Those ones are going. Those ones are going.
I think it's going to be like on the internet and run into the wall. Like that dog, isn't it?
Oh yeah, he was in the sleeping.
I've lost it. Have you finished up all your flan stuff?